Hello everyone and welcome to another session of Excel training with my class advisor. Today we'll be going through one of the most popular formulas in Excel for performing more advanced lookups using index match. The reason we are focusing on this formula is for its popularity among Excel users and for its flexibility. Index match formula allows you to do horizontal and vertical lookups, two-way lookups, left lookups, case-sensitive lookups, and even lookups based on multiple criteria. We'll start by keeping things simple and perform a left lookup. Left lookup is a limitation when using VLOOKUP. If you aren't well versed with VLOOKUP, you can check out our other video on how to use VLOOKUP by clicking the link at the top. So let's get started. Before we try to understand how does the index match formula work, let's look at index and match independently. Starting off with index helps you retrieve a value from a particular array at a given location. No, it sounds a bit complicated, but let's see how it works in an example. Suppose I had to find out the fifth row and the second column in this given range from A3 up until C10. Let's see how index would work. We start off with the formula by mentioning index. Then we select the array, which in this instance is from A3 up until C10. Then we look at the fifth row and the second column. So the fifth row would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the second column is Mexico. So there you have it. That's how index works. Now let's look at the match function. Match function is designed only for one purpose, to find the position of an item in a range. So let's try to find what's the position of the month of December in the range of the months. So we'll start off the formula with match. We'll enter the lookup value, so it can either be the cell number or we can type it down to December. Let's look at the first 10 rows, and then we mention the match type. So in this instance we need an exact match, so we'll enter the value of 0. So the month December is on the 6th row of this particular range. Let's see if it really works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you have it. That's how match function works. In the case of an index match formula, we would start off with index, then where our answer actually sits. So if we are looking up at the 2013 year performance by sales, so our answer will be in the sales column. We match then to find the year 2013, then the lookup array of the year and the match type being 0. And finally, since it's only one column number, we select 1. So for the year of 2013, we've got a sales of $43,125. Let's look at how did we perform in 2013. And there you have it, $43,125. Now let's suppose that we want to find the second column. So we are trying to find the COGS for the same year of 2013. Again, our answer stands within the first array that we mentioned in the index. So we write index This time we select two columns, sales as well as COGS. Then we match for the year 2013 within the lookup array of the year and finding an exact match. This time, instead of selecting column 1, we select column 2, since we are trying to find the value which sits under the COGS. So for 2013, we did a sales of 43,125 and a COGS was 41,400. There you go. That's how index match formula works. Thank you for watching our video on My Class Advisor. Do share your feedback, or if you would like us to build a video that will help you learn something new, put it in the comments below. If you think this video was helpful, do like and share with your family, colleagues and friends. For more videos like these, do subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon below.